First, let's make the background layer invisible, and then click the mask to make sure it is selected. Select an appropriately sized brush and make sure that black is selected as the foreground color. Start applying the brush stroke in the middle and work your way around to the other parts of the dog. You might think you're erasing the dog, but if you look at the mask, you'll see that you are actually applying the black color. This black area is the hole in the mask. If you make the hole too big, hit the X keystroke to switch to white as the foreground color in order to fix if your brush accidentally goes beyond the outline of the dog. Use the left bracket key to make the size of the brush tip smaller when you need to get into the narrow areas, and the right bracket key to make the brush tip bigger in order to cover larger areas.